right here in New York, where right now you are watching on the other side of your screen. A motorcade escort of the indicted, twice impeached, disgraced ex-president Donald Trump. He is en route from his airplane, which landed at LaGuardia, to Manhattan.
And welcome back. I am Caitlin Collins. We are broadcasting live outside of Trump Tower because the former president has just landed here in New York. And as you can see now from your screen, his motorcade is making their way to Trump Tower, where Trump will spend the night tonight before he arrives at a Manhattan courthouse tomorrow for his arraignment. That is where he will go before a judge. The indictment against him will be unsealed.
President Trump's motorcade on the move, headed from LaGuardia to Manhattan. Welcome to The Lead. I'm Jake Tapper, and we start today with this momentous event in our politics lead. A historic and unprecedented indictment of a former president, Donald Trump. Mr. Trump landed at LaGuardia Airport just a short while ago. The former president expected to arrive soon at Trump Tower. He is expected to spend the night there ahead of his arraignment tomorrow afternoon at the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse, where Mr. Trump is expected to voluntarily surrender.
This is infrared, and we're at the 57th Street stop on the F train, so you don't have to be. It's Monday, April 3rd, 2023, just before 7 p.m. And this is the day that Donald Trump arrived in New York, awaiting tomorrow's arraignment. Reportedly, he is spending the night at Trump Tower. And so are we. Not spending the night, but that's where we're headed. That's not so unusual. So this station was built in 1968, 67, something like that. But it went through a major renovation, including this artwork, just a few years ago. I wonder if there's an exit here. It's a little unclear. So, I haven't been following the news too closely, but do understand that there's a rather large presence of press in front of Trump Tower or surrounding it, that it's hard to be a pedestrian on those blocks. But let's see for ourselves. Someone got mad because they waited too long for a train. Okay, well, here's the first sign. This is new. Normally 56th Street doesn't have these restrictions. now we're headed in the right direction. And there, that is Trump Tower. That's where we're headed. I can't believe this place still survives. I ate there 50 years ago when I was in college. And as part of their act, or the dinner experience of having them cook and stir fry at your table, they splattered hot oil on my new shirt. And nothing. Didn't apologize, didn't offer to pay for dry cleaning. So it's not that I carry a grudge after 50 years, but really, and it was, I mean, that was the most memorable thing about the meal, a ruined shirt. Okay, now we're starting to see some press presence.
And I got
A few press vehicles. Just a few. Okay. Greatest pre-arraignment lodging ever. Okay. It's just okay. So these pens are new in the last 2 days. They were not here Saturday evening. And
yes, the former president is here. He is inside Trump Tower. We saw him walk in around 4:15 this afternoon. You can see some of the security police officers
sorry.
out here. Some of the crowd that has gathered as well. Hoping to get a out
cruise from Boston.
So I'm talking faster. I can't. You gotta meet the bus. Can't have your voices in it.
Yeah, that's
And here we'll have a live or on-scene broadcast for inside City Hall, if it hasn't taken place already.
good.
Yeah, criminal, so they're gonna.
Also, I'm gonna ask if you can roll my first one.
You know where I had a PSA in my building.
Gangs are making money in there. They sell drugs and everything.
Aber die ganze Straße ist voll mit Bier. Ich dachte schon, die werden den uns hier. Nee, war nicht.
Ja, und dann beim Morgen so ein bisschen Fahrradfahren, vielleicht mal
You know, I would go every day just for work, just smoke the weed, get drinking the bed, and everybody on the side talking on the other side.
Yes. Well, they're just sitting up. I mean, like, it's crazy.
Ja. Da haben wir natürlich als erstes Ja, aber du, da guckst du ja das ganze Mal.
Nice amount of work they did on this Trump 2024 sign. Very creative.
On this beautiful corner, observing the best location in the world. People can take a picture of the beautiful beautiful field, Trump field. It looks so much. People don't even know. The Baltimore Marine block away was they tried to build it for 15 years and they couldn't do anything. He just said 1 year, it's done. De Blasio denied him a permit. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Okay. And that's the scene outside of Trump Tower. Monday, April 3rd, 7 p.m. And as you just saw, there's no need to watch any other cable news broadcasts. We covered them all in just a few minutes. This is infrared. Is that Trump? And this is what you've been watching.